It's the last video of the year, so let's have a beer. What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the workshop. And like I say, it's the last day of the year. It is Christmas Eve. I've just literally come in the door from work. I thought I would be finished 2 days ago, but the phone hasn't stopped ringing and I can't leave people without electricity or heating over Christmas. So I had to go sort out a number of jobs today, Christmas Eve. So I was hoping to have a better video, a bigger video, kind of a premiere where I could join you guys in the chat. I won't get to do that now, but I still get to toast Christmas, which you can share a beer with you. Now, my workshop at the minute is currently Santa's workshop, so I'm assembling some Christmas gifts for my daughter here. So yeah, it's Santa's workshop today, so keep that under wraps. But I'm really looking forward to tomorrow morning and the look on her face. I mean, it's all about the kids really, and so I can't wait. It's great being a parent at this time of the year. So I'm just assembling some Christmas gifts. I'm being an elf, and I have some more Christmas gifts I have for some family members getting made up there. So that's the crack. I literally just came in the door from work. I wanted to have a beer with you guys, say thanks for all your support this year and everything. So let's grab a beer and let's do it. So here we are, it is Christmas Eve. This is going to be the last video I make for this year on this particular channel. I have a couple of whiskies, Christmas whiskies to review on my whiskey channel. That'll be linked below. If you guys have not heard about that yet, you can come on over and join me for cute Christmas drinks over the Christmas on that channel. But for here, this is going to be my final video that I get to make for my Maker Woodworking channel. And as is tradition, I'm going to have a beer with you guys on Christmas Eve. Now by tradition, I mean I did it last year, and we're going to keep up the tradition and do it again this year. Now there was only 1,000 of you guys last year. There's 23,000 of you, so it's kind of a big jump. It's great to see and welcome along to everybody. I hope you're enjoying the content, guys. And yeah, just want to toast and say thanks to all your support for all the throughout the year, for all your comments. And now I can't open my bottle of beer. My Leatherman is letting me down here. There we go. So let's get this in the glass. Now, like I say, I wanted to do a premiere, make a bigger video of this, maybe do a live stream or something, but I just didn't get a chance. I've been up to my eyes in work, flat out, and I'll just have a beer with you guys instead. So here, we propose a toast. So here's to you guys. Here's to 2021. May it be a better year. And like I say, thanks for all your support. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all your suggestions. Thanks for all the help that you guys have given me over the year. Thanks to all the new Patreons who are now supporting the channel. It's absolutely fantastic. And yeah, here's to you guys. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh, that's nice. A nice cold beer when you finish work. There's not too many things better. Maybe a whiskey. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're not stuck in some airport or train station somewhere trying to get home. I know the whole of Europe is going back into lockdown now. We are here too in Ireland on St. Stephen's Day, so Boxing Day. If you're in the UK, everything is going to be locked down again because cases are on the rise. 2020 has been an absolutely crazy year, but I hope you're all doing well. I hope you guys have all made it to the end of the year, that you're looking forward to Christmas, you're looking forward to the new year. I know 2021 is going to setting itself up already to be quite a crazy year too, but right now, right here, things aren't too bad, so we'll hope it gets better. That's all we can do, and we'll struggle up, because no matter where we are, there's always an up, there's always a down, so we'll just struggle up, because I suppose what else are we going to do? So I hope I find you well today, guys, and that you're with your friends and family and you're looking forward to spending Christmas dinner or whatever holidays you guys celebrate. I hope you're going to celebrate a good one and you are with friends and family and they are all well too. Now, what's the new year going to bring? Well, I mean, it's hard to know. It's a kind of old saying, I suppose, how do you make God laugh? Tell them your plans. Life happens when you make plans. But we have a few things organised coming up for the new year. I have a few companies, like I say, coming on board that are going to sponsor some content and maybe supply some tools and stuff that I can review. So I'm in talks with a few of them. The channel has grown, which is absolutely fantastic. And you guys really seem to be enjoying the content. And I'm really enjoying the interaction with you guys as well. I've learned so much from the comments section of my videos. I read all the comments. I read all your emails. I read all your Instagram messages. I don't get to respond to everybody. I just can't, because I'm flat out in my day job. I can't be on my phone all day. My business partner, he would get quite upset with me if I was constantly answering all you guys all day on my phone. so I can't do that, but I do read everything. I take everything on board, so don't worry if I don't get back to you. I see your messages because I read all my Instagram messages, I read all my emails, and I read all the YouTube comments, and I take everything on board. I'm starting to get to know everybody's name as well. Even though there's 23,000 of you, all the regular commenters, I start to recognize all your names and stuff, so that's fantastic. And the guys over on Patreon as well who support the channel, I get to interact with all of them. That's fantastic, and thanks again guys for all your support. That will really help me out making more content and better content going into 2021. And one idea I did have was maybe setting up a Facebook page. I'm not actually on Facebook. I shut down my Facebook a year or two ago because I'm not a big fan of Facebook, but I want to get somewhere where I can get the community together, where you guys can share pictures of your projects and where you guys can all interact with each other. Maybe we can all interact there and just shoot the breeze, share some ideas, show some projects that you guys are working on. We can all discuss, maybe help each other out, give each other advice where to get hardwood, where to get the best tool deals, what tools to use, what processes to use, just to kind of get a community thing to get one together where you guys can all get together, I can get together with you. So maybe a Facebook page or some sort of, throw some ideas down in the comments, let me know what you guys would think would work. Something that's not, I can't look after a whole new page, but I think a Facebook page might be easier, a Facebook group that I can get everybody in, and like I say, it'd be a place where we could all share what we're working on. And it'd be nice to see what you guys make in your workshops, or even see your workshops and see what you guys are doing all over the world, because you are literally all over the world now, and I'd like to actually see what you guys are making too. So that's an idea, and let me know in the comments what you think about that, what would be the best way to go about that, and I'll definitely look into it and get something up and running for 2021 where we can all get together and like I say, share what we're all working on. That'd be quite a nice thing. So yeah, beer, good. So that's kind of it guys. I won't take up any more of your time. This is the last video on this channel for 2020. So I just want to check in with everybody and wish you all a happy Christmas, happy holidays, whatever it is you celebrate. I hope you're with friends and family and that you're all safe and well. I'm quite looking forward to Christmas Day tomorrow, and the face on my daughter when she wakes up and sees that Santa has come along. It's quite a good time of year. So yeah, I hope you all get to experience something similar guys, and that you're all doing well. And here's to 2021. May it be a good one. There's an old Irish saying that I really like. You guys who have been subscribed to my channel with a while would have heard me say this a few times, and it goes like this: everything will be all right in the end, and if it's not all right, well then it's not the end. So, don't worry. And I think it's very apt for the times that we're living in. So yeah, here's 2021 and may it be better. And I'll leave you with an Irish toast. I always try to do a different Irish toast at the end of every whiskey video that I do, but I quite like this one. So may the road always rise to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine softly upon your face. Until we meet again, Makara, Sláinte, and a happy Christmas guys, happy New Year, and I hope it's a good one for you all. So take it easy. Thanks again for all your support, all your comments, all your interactions. It's absolutely fantastic. And like I say, here's 2021. Happy Christmas, guys. And here's to a few more beers and a couple of whiskeys.